Hello mga Lods! I want to share with you guys ang aking dumating na parcel. It's a mini ring light guys. Ayan. Oh, diba? It's a mini ring light guys. Ayan. Soon, I will be doing live stream guys. Kaya napabili ako ng mini ring light. Ayan siya. Tingnan nyo guys. Thank you seller sa packing for my parcel. It's complete and very good. Ayan. Install natin guys. Samahan niyo ako mag-install guys ng aking mini ring light. See? Super cute ni guys. Super cute. Sobrang cute na to. Ayan. May dalawang ano siya guys. Holder ng cellphone. Dalawang holder ng cellphone. Ayan. Install natin. Mura lang to guys. Nabili ko siya ng 100 plus. Mura lang siya guys. Sulit. Very sulit. Diba? May pang live stream na ako. Soon, I will buy condenser microphone. Ayan. Oh, see, look at the different lights color. May yellow, may white, may blue, may orange. Apat yata tong kulay guys. Napaiba-iba siya guys. Ayan, di ba? May pang live stream na ako guys. Oh, di ba? Look at the difference with ring light or walang lights. Sa gustong mag-order, I will put the link below.